Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is not a sign of gain anymore. It is a sign of confidence, style and natural beauty. So let's explore some easy and stylish haircut ideas that looks amazing and stylish with grey hair. First we have the short pixie cut. This haircut is very easy to manage and perfect for busy women. It gives a fresh and modern look. Grey hair in a pixie cut looks soft and elegant, and it also makes your face look younger. Next is a classic bob cut. This is one of the most popular hairstyles for women over 50. It is simple, neat and always in fashion. You can keep it straight or add soft waves for more volume. Grey hair with a bob cut looks very graceful and classy. Another great option is the layered haircut. Layers add moment and volume to the hair. If your hair feels thin, layers can make it look fuller. Grey hair natural looks give a soft and younger look. Now let's talk about shoulder length cut. If you don't like very short haircut, this is a perfect choice. It is easy to style and gives you many options like tinning ponytail or making soft curls. Grey hair at this length looks very stylish and elegant. We also have the curly or wavy hair. If you have natural curls, don't hide them, show them. Grey curly hair looks unique and full of personality. Just use a little product to keep your curls soft and defined. Another beautiful idea is the feathered cut. This style has soft light layers that frame your face nicely. It gives a light and airy look, which is perfect for grey hair. Now let's talk about bangs. Adding soft bangs or side bangs can change your whole look. They can make your face look softer and more youthful. Bangs with grey hair looks very stylish and modern. One more important thing is hair care. Grey hair can sometimes feel dry, so always use a good conditioner. You can also use a proper shampoo to keep your grey hair look color bright and shiny. Remember, the best haircut is the one that makes you feel happy and confident. Age is just a number. Your style is your choice. Grey hair is natural, beautiful and wonderful. So don't hide it. Embrace it with pride. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.